a lot of discussion, a lot of debate, a lot of noise about temple issues. కొందరు టెంపుల్ మీద అటాక్స్ అంటున్నారు. ముఖ్యంగా దే ఆర్ ట్రైంగ్ టు లేబుల్ ఇట్ అండ్ కాయిన్ ఇట్ యాజ్ టెంపుల్ అటాక్స్. And there is a lot of discussion, debate with regards to these incidents in the state of Andhra Pradesh. So we thought it is important that if facts should be presented before the media, and we'll all discuss about it, because it is important that not only the media but general public and citizens are also aware of what is the situation, what is the status, and what are the facts, and not putti ఊహాగానము లేకపోతే ఆ సోషల్ మీడియాలో రావడము, లేకపోతే మీడియాలో కూడా ఒక విధంగా ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేయడము, ఒక విధంగా కొన్ని ఆంక్షలు తీసుకొని అది వేరే విధంగా ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేయడము, దాంతో ఇట్ క్రియేట్స్ అన్నెసెసరీ concern, tension in the minds of the common man. But one redeeming factor is common man, the public are not really disturbed in that way. However, there is a lot of debate and discussion. So that has to be clarified. Friends, మన అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ లాస్ట్ 1 year has been the most challenging times. మనం అందరికీ in fact the whole mankind has been challenged during 2020. We are all aware of it and how we have faced the challenge, overcome the challenge. And this previous year has been particularly challenging in the midst of all these challenges for the police department. Not only COVID and COVID-related challenges that we have faced, but also that situation has thrown up so much of additional responsibilities on the police to provide safety and security to the citizens of the society, and also maintain law and order, face new kind of challenges, maintain stability in the society. As we are all aware, situations causes disruption, situation causes tension, conflict in society, and that may lead to disruptions, disorder in the society. So in that kind of situations, police has really risen up to make sure that there is order in society, there is law and order in the society, there is peace, and ultimately there is stability. So that we have ensured very satisfactorily during 2020, and we are all aware of that. In any domain of policing or law enforcement or related police duties and responsibilities are concerned. Yeah. You know that during the COVID times, as many as 14,340 policemen has got affected with COVID. We lost 109 lives due to COVID. ఆ కోవిడ్ సమయంలో పోలీస్ వాళ్ళు ఏ విధంగా డ్యూటీ చేశారో అందరికీ తెలుసు. మొట్టమొదటిగా when this COVID struck, nobody was aware. We did not know where did the challenge come from. COVID gurinchi, there were no SOPs, there were no guidelines, and nobody knew how does this virus behave. Where can you anticipate? So, how do you deal with that situation? In such kind of situation nunchi manam chaala varaku vachina manam alanti paristhitilo kuda meer andariki telusu everybody was inside within the four walls of their houses, but only the policeman was on the roads day and night, exposed to this uncertain virus or this uncertain danger. And that is the kind of situation we started with, and we are here. We lost 109 and many have got infected, while we made sure that the public is safe, secure, and there is order in the society. There are many challenges. We all know the situation during the COVID times, how things have unfolded. But at every step, police was on the forefront, on the front line, responding to the emergent situations, issues, as and when they arise. We have very tactfully responded to them, and then always worked with all other agencies to contain the situation, control the situation, and mitigate the situation. ఈ కోవిడ్ టైంలో ఆ కోవిడ్ రూల్స్ పాటించుకోవడం సంబంధించిన కూడా as many as 49,14,608 violations కూడా అయింది. అది ఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ అన్నమాట. So many cases, so many instances. There were almost 88,000 FIRs also issued with regards to COVID cases, COVID violations, etc. అదే క్రమంలో we also had the additional burden on the police by way of the liquor policy, sand policy. So Danvarana, as many as 74,000 cases have been registered in the last 7 months, and as many as 98,000 violators were also arrested during the last 7 months. అంటే ఈ పని ఒత్తిడి ఏ విధంగా పోలీస్ మీద పడటం ఈ క్రమంలో, even then the police has risen to the challenges, risen to the situation, risen to the expectations, and it has delivered. Maintain order, stability in the society. And మన అందరికీ తెలుసు ఈ గత 1 yearలో ఇలాంటి ఛాలెంజెస్ ఎప్పుడు చూడలేని ఛాలెంజెస్ మనం ఫేస్ చేసినాము. In the face of all these challenges also, police has made very remarkable achievements as regards police performance, police competencies, police professionalisms at all India level, national level lo kuda manam సాధించి చూపించినాం. మీరు whether it is using technology to bring in innovation and change and transform the policing. You are all aware that how we have brought in change and transformation during last 1 year.